your boy Dunn back here with another video. I know it's been a little minute, y'all, since y'all seen me posting stuff. It's been like a month. I know I had to take a little time off and stuff. Y'all see it, you know, a little POV drive. Going to my grandma's house, pick my little brother up. Yeah, I give y'all a little pull, but y'all know it raining and shit. I'm gonna be spinning like a motherfucker, you know, tight shit. But shit, I'm gonna try to get y'all a little pull, like a little pull. Then they'll hold on, spin out the shit, fuck it, and the damn rain, fuck it. You know, we'll go ahead and do this shit. Fuck it. Yeah, what it is. Shit, I'ma show it. Hey, when I be spinning like a motherfucker. Alright, so what do y'all recommend? I really wanna go Cadillys, yeah. Should I go Cadillac and long two header, or go Cadillys, then go back and put the headers on there? And let me know about shit, let me think. Let me know if y'all know somebody that know how to put long two hitter on a charger and they know how to tune. And shit, would y'all like to see a rap on here? Yeah, I'm thinking like a satin gray rap on here. Yeah, it would be hard. What y'all think? A satin gray wrap? It's plain, but at the same time, it's hard. Then, do y'all want to see like a wide body kit on here, or what? Y'all let me know something. Yeah, alright, stop a little minute. And how y'all niggas been? I know y'all ain't seen me in a good little minute. Shit. You know, I've been quiet, working and shit. Now, had to go get the money earned up. Shit. But y'all see it raining hard and shit. I had to go get the money earned up so I can be able to do stuff and keep posting more videos and shit. So I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna go buy a camera. And you know, Friday is your boy's birthday. I don't know if the video going out today or tomorrow. But leave me in the comment section and tell me happy B-Day done. You know. And shit, we might end up going to Jackson somewhere or somewhere like that. Wanna look at some cars, so y'all want to do call me. Hold on. This is the next day, where it's at nighttime. I've been here with my mama all day. Yeah, I said, get a little crazy with it, you know. Oh, you know, ride your ride, and shit. We're gonna see what we get into tonight. I'm gonna catch y'all back in probably in a few minutes or so, something like that. You know, yeah, gotta do a little flower for the channel and shit. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and shit. Just like, comment, and subscribe. And you can't do nothing else. Shit, if you wanna do it, do it. If you can't do it, bitch ass nigga still do it. So shit, No, my RT is great. So I know y'all see my tire pressure. Don't worry about that. And I'm feeling putting air in the motherfucker. You feel? Oh, we might end up slide to one of my. I'm just gonna let y'all just see it when I get over there to the little play. I'm not gonna tell you whose house it is or anything like that. But yeah. So trying to think. We might end up still go to just for my birthday. I don't know yet. So, it's kind of hard. I might do a little vlog down there when we go down there and shit. The question is, what's your favorite food or anything like that? And shoot me some questions. I'll do a Q&A, answer some questions. And, like that. Y'all want to say, why about the kid on the car? Me, on the car. Shit, fuck, I sound like I'm fucking white. Not in a bad way, but you know what I mean. It sound like, I'm gonna cut that out. When I say car, maybe sound like a proper person. That really, I'm not. This is straight out content. So, shit, I'm turning y'all back on. Whenever I see y'all. Fuck I was saying. Damn. I'm freezing up on the YouTube shit, so y'all don't fucking mind me. And this shit is, I don't know what the fuck to talk about on here. It's weird as hell talking to my phone, but I'm talking to y'all. So, like the video. You don't like the video? Use a pussy. Simple as that.